This is a Pro Elec 2 kilowatt rotating fan heater. It's not working. That's the metal fin. That's the heater. This is all the electrics. Very simple thing that was wrong. Over here there's a one of those connectors. Now that was right over here and this was hitting it. So what I've done, I've pushed it over to go over to here, so it clears it. But I've also noticed there's a tie there, and as this goes round it almost hits it. So that's another point of jamming which I need to deal with. I've got my pliers somewhere. Oh yes, I know where they are. I got them. I'm trying to do things with one hand, but this is what I'm going to do is snip this a bit more. Still not enough. I think it could be snipped a bit more. I'm trying to do this without being able to see, which is aha, there you are, look at that. I've now snipped it so that's much less, and you can hear the fan is rotating without touching anything. So if I can put this all back together again, I think it will work. Now underneath here I noticed there's one of these switches, so if this falls over, that's a cutout. So it's obviously not going to work even if I plug it in at this moment, because it's not standing upright. So that's a new idea. I've not seen that before. It's a pity this device has got all the latest ideas on safety and what have you, but when they assembled it they left some things sticking in the way, and how it got past the final safety check I don't know, because if you turn it on it doesn't work.